Good morning, seventh grade math. Welcome to Friday, November the 13th, 2020. We're still working on constant rates of change. We'll have a constant of proportionality. And we're going to do practice and problem solving C together. And then you will embark on AB as an independent project from 1 through 7. So let's take a look at this. Three tickets to an off-Broadway show cost $81. Four tickets cost $108. And five tickets cost $135. First thing they want us to do is show that the relationship between the number and the cost is a proportional relationship by making a table of tickets for 1 to 5 tickets. So we'll start with 1 here, 1 ticket. But I'm not going to put anything down there yet. Now the first one they give us, 3 tickets, cost $81. 4 tickets cost $108. 5 tickets cost $135. So we want to take a look at these. And first of all, we want to make sure that they are proportional. So the best way to do that, you take out your scratch paper. 81 divided by 3, 108 divided by 4, 135 divided by 5. So let's see what we come up with here. 3 will go into 8 twice with 2 left over. 27. 4 will go into 10 twice with 2 left over. 27. 5 will go into 13 2 times with 3 left over. 27. So all of these give us the single ticket cost of $27. And let's throw in one more cost here. Let's throw in a 6. So 27 times 6, 2, 4, 12, 16, $162. $162. Sold to the highest bidder. All right, the constant of proportionality, K equals 27. Write an equation for the relationship. Y equals 27x. And what that x is, it's a variable. However many tickets you buy, that goes in the x. Number 2. On the 7th grade trip to Washington, D.C., for every 8 students, there were 3 chaperones. So, 8 students to 3 chaperones. 12 chaperones were needed. How many students went on the trip? Well, so for every 8 students, they need 3 chaperones. So 12 chaperones were needed. Okay, let me think here. How am I going to do this? Well, you're going to divide 8 by 3. And that turns into an approximation. So 2 2/3. 2 2/3. So how do I want to attack this? 2 2/3 chaperones for every student. Okay. So 2 2/3 times 12. I'm going to turn this into an improper fraction. 3 times 2 is 6. 2 more is 8. 8 over 3 times 12 over 1. The 3 is going to cancel out. 8 times 4 is 32. So there were 32 students that went, requiring 12 chaperones. Now, this is how you're going to check this. Eight to 3 equals 32 to 12. Now we have to see if this is correct. 3 times 32 is 96. 8 times 12. 8 times 2 is 16. Put the 1 there. 8 times 1 is 8. 1 more is 9. So see, this tells me that it is a correct statement. Let me get this camera a little bit closer. So number 3 and 4, number 3, determine whether the relationship is a proportional relationship. If so, write an equation for the relationship and tell what each of your variables represents. If the relationship is not proportional, explain. So Ty takes 1 hour to read 35 pages. So 1 to 35, 2 hours to read 70 pages. 3 hours to read 105 pages. Now, I know because I'm a pretty smart guy that 70 divided by 2 is 35 and 105 divided by 3 is 35. So we are going to, it is proportional, and we're going to give it an equation, y equals 35x. So we're arguing that old Ty there reads 35 pages every single hour. There are 12 grams of protein in 2 ounces of almonds. Okay. 2 to 12. So that would be 6 to 1. And if that's true, it would be 3 to 18. So y equals 6x. So 6 ounces of protein, or 6 grams of protein in each ounce of almonds. Right? Number 5, we have a table here. So what we have to figure out is, are these ratios the same? Well, let's find out. 18 divided by 4 will be 4 1/2. 22 1/2 divided by 5 is 4 1/2. 27 divided by 6 is 4 1/2. 31 1/2 divided by 7 is, that's 4 1/2. So it is proportional. We have to figure out, so y equals 4 1/2 x. And finally, number 6. Again, we have a table, so 35 divided by 1 is 35. 80 divided by 2 is 40. 120 divided by 3 is 40. So this is not proportional. So not proportional. The ratios are not equivalent. Are not equivalent. Okay. Well, that finishes this assignment. I will let you, brilliant ladies and gentlemen, pick up on practice and problem solving D, numbers 1 through 7. The code word for today is character. Character. Thank you very much.